Audio Jungle.
The national anthem. Gallant security personnel, gentlemen of the press, you are welcome to this special training and retraining of the security personnel of our dear institution, the Federal Polytechnic Ilaro. At times like this, when the security situation is what it is, security becomes everybody's concern. It becomes everybody's business. And that is one of the reasons why the institution instituted various committees to take charge of everything that should be done. Paramount among which is the security of the institution's property, personnel, and equipment. In this note, before we start, I just want us to give the management of the Federal Polytechnic Ilaro a very big round of applause. Director, sir, we appreciate. We have in our midst today eminent personalities, and don't mind me keeping the chief of security here standing by my side because I know that he's more security conscious than me. So if I misbehave, he can always do whatever should be done. So we have in the house today the principal officers being led by the rector of the institution. Please put your hands together as I introduce the rector, Dr. Mukari Aremu Akinde, FCA ACTR. Director, you're welcome, sir. We have in our midst today the divisional police officer for Ilaro here. Wọ́n lọ́mọ wa ni wọ́n, but bó ṣe máa rí náà ó bá yàn lẹ́rù ṣé kí n sọ, should I go ahead? So we have CSP Kọ́ládé Ọládẹ̀jọ Ilaro. They said he is an indigenous son of the soil. A bigger round of applause. You must have some, you must have been done by the Likao. A bigger round of applause. We also have the Assistant Commandant of Corps, who is being ably represented by officer Nikin Fisini I no one move from here to any other place. So, the superintendent of God. The DPO, sir. No wonder that's a new sharing that. We call a microphone person. A big round of applause. So the assistant commandant of course is being represented by the superintendent of course, Kuyebi Latifat. Ṣọ̀nmá ìbálẹ̀ lọ ṣùgbọ́n báyìí ọlọ́run ṣe àwọn tó máa wá wò mí tiwa. We also have former DCO. He's my very good friend. Ẹ̀ẹ̀kọ̀ọ̀kan tí mo tán bá kàn yarí fún mi lápá mi ò kì í ká wọn, òun lérò pápá mi á ká wọn lẹ́yìn. He is Superintendent of Police, Father Iro Oludare retired. Ṣọ́nà ẹ máa bọ̀ sàn. Father, oh father, father. Sorry, sorry púpọ̀ náà torí ó ti ṣẹ̀mí tẹ́lẹ̀tẹ́lẹ̀ but èyí kọ́ ló yẹ kí n bẹ̀sán but I will still collect the essence. I'm being reliably informed that the director ICT is being represented by Mr. Frank Ajibodo. The director said you should carry my battery from where you were standing and put in my pocket. A bigger round of applause. Then we have the chairman of the committee. In fact, this is the very first time that I will see the chairman of the committee standing side by side of just a common MC who is just being powered by microphone. So please put your hands together as I welcome the Dean School of Management Studies and the chairman of this special committee, Dr. A.W.O. Akeleke.
Dr. Michael Akinde, FCA, ACT. The Deputy Rector, our beautiful Dr. Mrs. Iro Ijuru, ever charming. Welcome, sir. The Bossa, Mr. A.B. Agbela, ably represented by Mr. Bada. The Dean, School of Pure and Applied Science, Mr. Mark Ojuola. Dean Skits, Dr. Orija. My own special Dean, School of Part-Time Studies, Wisheshe, Barrister Daudu. Welcome, sir. Dean, School of Agriculture, represented by Dr. Kaparusi, and the Dean, School of Environmental Studies, ably represented by Mr. Eleshin. Our directors in the house, I welcome you, sirs and ma'ams. The son of the soil, our own very handsome, the Divisional Police Officer Vilaro, we so much welcome you here, sir. Mr. Rector, sir, it will interest you to know that the DPO, CSP Kolade, is not just a friend of us, but an indigene. He is so very, very amiable, and he has indicated his love and appreciation for so many times. I need to let you know that apart from the SP, the former that's SP Fadaro, former DCO, both of them came very much early. I need to let you know that so that you accord them that special recognition, sir. Our own madam too. So from the civil defense, our own sister Latifat, also came much early. So we are so much grateful to you. My beautiful and handsome officers, it is very necessary that we show our appreciation to the rector. So I want to seek your permission, sir, to speak in mixed dialect, sir, because of the nature of this program. Ní orúkọ gbogbo àwa tá wà ní security unit, ó di dandan ká kí ọ̀gá wa, olùdarí àti adarí ilé-iṣẹ́ yìí fún iṣẹ́ takuntakun tí wọ́n ṣe fún wa. Sir, we want to let you know that we are so much full of appreciation to you, not only as a unit, but even members of the committee. In fact, on behalf of the committee, I want to thank you so very much, sir, for giving us this opportunity to serve in this capacity. And we also want to appreciate your assistance, support that you have been giving to us. Mo fẹ́ jẹ́ kí gbogbo wa mọ̀ wípé ìgbà tí gbogbo wa bá ń sùn nílé, a lot of time ọ̀gá ń ronú not only about the school but even the security, how bó ṣe máa make iṣẹ́ wa easy, bí ó ṣe máa rọrùn fún wa láti ṣe àwọn nǹkan tá a nílò, àwọn nǹkan tó yẹ ká ṣe. Mi mọ̀ bóyá a lè rántí irú ìgbà tí training báyìí tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ní ọgbà yìí. But you see, when I approached him and told him that training is unnecessary, in fact, he emphasized that not just the training, but that agbọ́dọ̀ ṣe indeed in the way that it should be done. He really emphasized that we must make sure that the DPO, is around to give the training, that the DCO and the students that they are around, because only àwọn mọ̀ pé àwọn yẹn ni wọ́n lè fún wa ní qualitative training tí ó rí lè yẹ kó rí bó ṣe yẹ kó rí. Wọ́n ní àwọn mọ̀ pé àwọn ní confidence that they must be here, and so we thank you so much again, sir. I also need to let you know that one of the challenges ní wípé communication problem. Ọ̀pọ̀ ìgbà ló jẹ́ pé a máa ra káàdì fúnra wa láti fi gbóró kan bẹ́ẹ̀, but mo fẹ́ jẹ́ kẹ́ ẹ mọ̀ lẹ́ni pé ọ̀gá ti make arrangement fún SIM card for everybody, so that a lè máa communicate pẹ̀lú ra wa. And even in the communication, kò sí anybody tó máa ná £1 fún credit card. It's going to be free to all of us. So see, he has continually told me, wípé àwọn staff wáyé security bá la ṣe chance sanwó fún wọn, èlò náà san fún wọn, wọ́n ní interest. Mo mọ̀ pé ẹran tí kò mo sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ ní parí lọ́jọ́ wà bí pé ọ̀gá is interested in pé kí á make sure pé owó àti ìwọ̀n oúnjẹ everything pé kò jẹ wọ́n ní àbọ̀. Mo sọ fún lọ́jọ́ mo ní pé èmi ni mi ti implement àbí mi sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ ni mo nítorí wípé mi ti rí àti ìṣiṣẹ́ tó rí lè gbórí tó lè gbé wa débẹ̀. So mo fẹ́ sọ níwájú wípé ọ̀gá ti fún wa ní àṣẹ pé ká ṣe o, bọ̀ èmi ni mi ti ṣe nítorí wípé ẹ̀yin náà tí ọmọ ìpínlẹ̀ lágbára pé after the training yìí àṣẹ wa bó ṣe ká ṣe àbí bẹ́ẹ̀ kọ́ ni. So mo fẹ́ kí gbogbo ká dìde ká dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ rector wa àti àwọn tíìmù wọn pé ẹ ṣe gidigidi gan fún wa. Mr. D really made so much effort, series of meetings to make sure that the protest hold, and we thank God. And I want to believe that complements your efforts, and so we are so grateful to you, sir. It is my prayer. If we lágbára Ọlọ́run, this polytechnic kò ní wó lágbára Ọlọ́run, Ìlàró kò ní dàrú lágbára Ọlọ́run, Yewa kò ní bàjẹ́ lágbára Ọlọ́run, And also know that all of you know the servicemen, you are actually, you know, it's sacrifice you are making. While we are in our house, and you are limited, you know, sometimes, you know, kojú àwọn tó jẹ́ pé wọ́n máa gbé ìbọn, mo gbà lára pé lágbára náà ìbọn ò ní bà yín, mo gbà pé wọ́n ní rògùn yín lọ bá àwọn èèyàn yín lágbára náà, gbogbo yín tẹ̀sẹ̀ yín ìṣe rí àwọn ọmọ yín aṣojú ẹ̀mí. So I also want to thank everybody that have been invited here, all the directors, everybody that have invited, sir, and for efforts that you have made, the support you have given us, we are so much grateful. We will recall that in the past, cultism was a strife on this campus. We know that a lot of even preference were actually, but with the support of the rector, all those things are being curbed. No, we cannot have any society that will be zero, that will be crime-free, but at least they can be curbed. Now we thank that God that that is really being curbed with the assistance of the rector. Mr. Rector, sir, we want to tell you, I want to assure you that this training will not go in vain, sir. We want to say that after this training, like our effort will be doubled, and that they will be very, very glaring, like sir. On that note, I want to welcome you, sir, and everybody to this training. Thank you, sir.
Carol, I don't even know. Let me stand on a very well-established protocol. But that notwithstanding, I will still say one or two things on that protocol. The Deputy Director of Academics, every other principal officers that are not around because of other duties that we are doing, the deans of school, the directors, all of us, the security committee doing a very good job. The security architecture of the community ably led by the DPO and other civil defense and our own former DCO, Mr. Fadayo, every director, the PRO, and ladies and gentlemen. Just like the Dr. Akinleke said, we better ká sọ̀rọ̀ ní àmúlùmálà so that ká lè gbọ́ra wáyé. Mo kọ́kọ́ tọrọ àforíjì pé a delay wa for about 30 minutes. It is not intentional. It is because àwọn assignments mi tó tún pọ̀. Gbogbo wa la mọ̀ wípé tá a ṣe ń rí pé ó dàbí a máa ṣe ìpàdé council tuntun tí government ṣe inaugurate láti Sunday lọ́wọ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí dé. And logistic of arrival, láwọn tó ń bọ̀ ní different, for example, chairman will be coming from Yobe. Kó tó wá láti Yobe, ẹ̀wọ̀n láti dé lọ sí Damaturu tó Yobe, á padà wá sí Abuja, kó tó wá sẹ́kù. Gbogbo yẹn lórí kọ́ alẹ́ ẹ̀yọ̀ kan náà láàrin wọn tó ń bọ̀ láti Nasarawa from Enugu, a lot of them moving from different locations. Coordination àwọn nǹkan yẹn ń ṣe nǹkan tó easy. A dẹ̀ mọ̀ wípé polytechnic máa ń yára gbàlejò. Ká lè kàn káàbọ̀ sí polytechnic dáadáa. Àwọn internal council member náà wọ́n ń gbọ́ tí wọ́n ń gbó sí ẹ bá rí ní sẹ́ẹ̀rí pé rí registrar lórí ìjókòó ó ti gbàbí kan lọ́nìyẹn ó ń ṣiṣẹ́ kan lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ so bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ni admin àwọn náà ń ṣe ìgbọ̀kan including library àbáṣe pínra wa sórí ìṣiṣẹ́ ọ̀nà ni. Adẹ̀ máa ń pẹ́ gbà mí èmi pàápàá máa ń pẹ́ kí tó wọlé gbà mí kí tó wọlé lánàá tó 2 o'clock nítorí pé a tún ń wo àwọn nǹkan kan so ká lè wò kó lè ṣe dáadáa nítorí wípé tí ìlú kan bá fẹ́ gbòòrò gbogbo ìlú Nàìjíríà bó ṣe rí security is number 1. Ẹ jẹ́ ká sọ báyìí ní ilé iṣẹ́ kan tí ilé iṣẹ́ kan bá ń ṣe dáadáa gbogbo nǹkan tó nǹkan máa ṣe ń bẹ̀ látòrí àwọn tó ń tún agbègbè ṣe àwọn ẹ̀ṣọ́ tó ń ṣọ́ agbègbè àtàwọn officers oríṣiríṣi lọ́tùn lósì àtàwọn ọ̀gá àgbà nípele gbogbo wọn lọ́jọ́ ń ṣiṣẹ́ yẹn kò sẹ́ni tó lè gba bí wọ́n ṣe gbá bọ́ọ̀lù tó ń ṣe wọ́n ní Spain ló gba Olympic gold àbí fan correct tó bá jẹ́ pé ẹnìkan ń gba sọ́tún tẹ́nìkan ń gba sósì tẹ́nìkan ń gba sẹ́yìn tẹ́nìkan ń gba síwájú fún ọjọ́ dojúkọ bìkan náà kò sí bí wọ́n ṣe lè láṣeyọrí so yẹn ló fà á tó jẹ́ pé gbogbo ìpele tọ́nà iléeṣẹ́ poli pín sí gbogbo ẹ̀ ló ṣe pàtàkì tí kò bá ṣe pàtàkì ní láti ẹ̀tí débì lẹ́nu ìṣe làbà rán yàn wá because ní ẹ̀ ló lágbára ṣùgbọ́n kò ṣe kó tá a lè rán yàn wá àfi ká débì náà. So on behalf of everyone, whether the dance directors or tán wá síbi ìtàn pẹ́ ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ foríjì wá. Now gẹ́gẹ́ bí chairman security committee ṣe sọ management tó lọ àti eléyìí náà pàápàá a fi òkúkúdùn mú ọ̀rọ̀ security nítorí pé even environment cleaning of environment torí pé à ń try láti tún wo ọ̀nà tá a lè gbégbà tó lè fi lọ síwájú sí ẹ rí wípé lẹ́nu ọjọ́ mẹ́ta yìí a lè kọ́ create nominal role fún security pé ká àwọn owó gan ló tẹ̀ ń ṣe àwọn owó gan níbo náà ń ṣe ibo náà wà gan pàápàá nítorí pé tá a bá mọ ibi tí wọ́n wà tá a mọ orúkọ tó ń jẹ́ tá a mọ age wọn tí opportunity bá tiẹ̀ wà pàápàá ní information lọ́wọ́ láti lo opportunity so mo lérò wípé registrar ó create nominal role yẹn tá a dẹ̀ ṣe ní analyse lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ náà bá ṣe ṣe náà fáwọn cleaner yẹn nítorí pé a fẹ́ reorganize gbogbo the whole venture yẹn láti lè jẹ́ pé kó lè wà efficient dẹ̀ mọ̀ pé polytechnic ò lè dá wà láì níbàṣe tó nípọn pẹ̀lú àwọn ọlọ́pàá pẹ̀lú àwọn civil defence pẹ̀lú àwọn DSS pẹ̀lú àwọn all of them àti road safety including NDLA gbogbo alájọ ń ṣiṣẹ́ together tá a bá rí nǹkan kan àfi ká sọ fún wọn àwọn olùjọ́ ń sọ pé ààbò pọ̀yẹ tán ni wọ́n gbé yàn kan lọ ẹ̀wò tó bá gbé kán lọ gbé ọmọ iléèwé bíi 100 wọ́n ń gbé sálọ inú ẹ̀wò àwọn tó ń gbé sálọ ẹ̀bù náà gbé gbà ṣé ó yí láti kó èèyàn kàdẹ̀ kó sálọ bẹ́ẹ̀ káwọn èèyàn má rí wọn ìjẹ́ àwọn tó rí wọn ìjẹ́ wọ́n fi tó àwọn agbófinró létí tá a bá fi tó àwọn agbófinró létí a lè fẹ́ràn ọ̀gá wa tó jẹ́ president wa bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ni láàrò ìkárí nǹkan kó ṣẹlẹ̀ níbi kankan ìtápá ò bá ká ó yẹ ká tètè sọ fáwọn ọlọ́pàá ó yẹ ká tètè sọ fáwọn DSS ó yẹ ká tètè sọ fáwọn civil defence wọ́n á lè tètè bójútó gbogbo foundation tá a gbé sílẹ̀ lórí security wa láàrò nìyẹn ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ̀ mọ̀ wípé security yẹn náà ó ṣe pàtàkì nítorí pé àwọn tó ń gbé nínú hostel ní Yorùbá wọn tó 1% àwọn tó ń gbé ń gbòòrò ìyá about 99% wọ́n dẹ̀ ń gbé ń gbòòrò yẹn kì í ṣe gbòòrò àárín ìlú nìkan wọ́n ń gbé up to fair close to ọ̀dọ̀ bá ṣe gbọ́ láti monitor irú àwọn nǹkan bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn so bí DSS ṣe máa ń sọ ecology Ìláró yàtọ̀ sí ti Yaba-Tech security model tó máa ṣiṣẹ́ Yaba-Tech ó lè má ṣiṣẹ́ níbi eléyìí tó máa ṣiṣẹ́ Ládó-Èkìtì ó lè má ṣiṣẹ́ níbi so environment differ nǹkan táwọn founding fathers wá dẹ̀ gbélé wa lọ òun là ń respond so lára ẹ̀ ní pé a fẹ́ try láti reorganize security tá a bá reorganize ẹ̀ ká dẹ̀ tún bójútó welfare torí tẹ́ bá sọ pé afífìlà gbérin ìjọ kan ló máa ń ní ó lè mọ ó ń ṣe environment mọ́ tónítóní ó lè mú àwọn tó ṣe bá ń ṣàwọ̀ tẹ́ ẹ̀ bójútó welfare àwọn ẹ̀rí pé ẹni tó ń ṣe kíní ẹ̀gbọ́n á ní rẹ̀wẹ̀sì ìyẹn ló fà tó yẹ pé kò sí nǹkan tí chairman security gbé wá táàkì ń jọ analyse eléyìí nígbà tó sọ̀rọ̀ communication and order báwo la ṣe la fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ ààbò tí wọ́n lè máa communicate nígbà tí ẹnìkan bá jí nǹkan wá gbé tí wọ́n lè sọ pé àwọn rí ẹnìkan tó lọ mẹ́rin ni ò dá tó sóńgbà tó gbé wá a lè tún task ẹ̀ náà pé okay ẹ jẹ́ ká jọ ṣe analysis even minimum wage tó ń sọ ń pa ẹ̀ mo máa ń sọ̀rọ̀ nípa fídíò kan tí Soludo sọ rẹpẹtẹ ọ̀rọ̀ ṣíkẹ́ máa ń pa mí lẹ́yìn Soludo sọ gómìnà Anambra I think so ó ní ó pé àwọn private teachers àwọn private secondary school àtàwọn òṣìṣẹ́ tó yẹ pé àwọn lè po bí àwọn tó ń ṣiṣẹ́ ipò nǹkan tó ń gba attendance nǹkan kó pè wọ́n jọ ǹjẹ́ tí ẹ gbọ́ pé ìjọba ń sọ̀rọ̀ minimum wage ó ṣe mọ̀ pófin tó fẹ́ ṣe mọ̀ pé kíní ẹ máa affect ní tó bá ṣe òfin ẹ̀ àwọn ẹ̀ ní òfin wo ló ń ṣe tí báwo lè ṣe fẹ́ affect àwọn ṣé ẹ mọ̀ pé tó bá sign minimum wage into law ó mí pé everyone tó bá ń gbàyàn síbi iṣẹ́ ní Nàìjíríà minimum wage yẹn ló gbọ́dọ̀ san àwọn yẹn wá dá padà sí padà gbókè báwo ni ìyẹn ṣe máa jẹ́ pé ó mì pé ìjọba ló máa bá wọn sanwó oṣù yẹn torí táwọn bá sanwó owó yẹn wọ́n á ti ilé iṣẹ́ yẹn pa. So now so bó ṣe ń ṣe kíní ẹ̀ náà làwọn náà ń wò tó wá ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ fi kún àwọn oṣù yẹn náà bẹ́ẹ̀ tí a tún ń wò náà pé ọ̀nà tó yẹ pé ìrọ̀rùn eku ìrọ̀rùn ẹyẹ àbáwọn ẹyẹ ń sọ so that a bá tún wo kíní yẹn tó bá rọ́nà mìta lè gbégbà tí polio fi ní close down nítorí pé kí poli má close down ọ̀nà tó ń gbà ṣiṣẹ́ pọ̀ gan kì í ṣọ̀nà kan ló ń gbà ṣiṣẹ́ aláwọn staff security staff tó yẹ pé directly làwọn là ń sanwó fún aláwọn cleaners aláwọn lecturers aláwọn admin staff tó yẹ pé àwọn là ń sanwó fún so gbogbo yẹn wo ńlá gbà ní kò ṣòwò kékeré ká má ti sọ owó tá a fi ń ra diesel tí orí èèyàn bá pé bí alájọṣọmọlú kò lè pẹ́ tó máa fi ràn poli bankrupt gẹ́gẹ́ bí ẹ̀kọ́ tá a dẹ́kọ̀ so èèyàn máa ń fi gbogbo ọgbọ́n àti òye wo kí ẹ̀ka tó ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ mo mọ̀ wípé kò ní í ṣe ká má rí nǹkan tá a máa ṣe bá ṣe ń wo yẹn ìwọ̀n bá tá a bá ṣe ṣá mo ṣá mọ̀ pé ọlọ́run àbá jẹ́ kó tẹ́ wa lọ́rùn a ti gbé àwọn ìgbésẹ̀ rẹpẹtẹ lórí security ìta fẹ́ ṣe lẹ́nìí náà ló tún jẹ́ lára wọn pé ká ṣe training gẹ́gẹ́ bí a máa ń ṣe sọ training yẹn kò sẹ́ni tó lè kọ́yàn bọ́ ṣe ń ṣe security lórí yàtọ̀ sáwọn ọlọ́pàá ìgbà tá a ra àwọn nọ́mbà ammunitions kan ní sọ iye nọ́mbà yẹn torí a kì í sọ iye irú nǹkan bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn gbangba agbègbèsè a ní pé téèyàn bá máa gbé àwọn kìíní yẹn dání torí àwọn irinṣẹ́ yẹn lágbára pàápàá jùlọ láàrin àwọn ọmọléèwé tó fẹ́ gbé àwọn irinṣẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ dání tàdé ní tí kò ṣe pé kì í ṣe pé àgbà láìsẹ̀nsì àfọ̀gbọ́n ṣe ni the first thing dákọ́ ṣe ní gbòkè ẹ jẹ́ ká lọ ṣe training fún ẹ jẹ́ ká lọ ṣe test fún ní neuropsychiatric hospital ní Aro l'Abẹ́òkúta mẹ́ẹ̀ wọ́n dẹ̀ identify àwọn èèyàn mọ́kànlá méjì lèmi kọ́ mo bá wọn identify mi ò bá wọn dá sí irú nǹkan bẹ́ẹ̀ because ọba pé èèyàn leader ìwọ̀n balẹ̀ èèyàn máa ń dá sí àwọn nǹkan tàwa lè pé kéèyàn gbé iṣẹ́ fún un ṣe báyìí wá ṣe ká generalize ẹni tó ń gbà nínú tẹ́ bá ti ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ èèyàn weaken iṣẹ́ yẹn wọ́n dẹ̀ ṣe analysis yẹn wọ́n lọ sáró wọ́n ní wọ́n sọ iye ọ̀nà tó máa pín wọn sí wọn ò pọ̀ ń ṣiṣẹ́ yẹn lọ́wọ́ a dẹ̀ ti tún sọ náà fún wọn náà pé ókè o àwọn nǹkan kan náà tún ń lọ láàrin ọgbà tó ń ṣe lálẹ́ àti lọ́sàn-án àti lóru àní láti sọ bá a ṣe ń ṣe nítorí pé a sọ pé tí a bá mú ẹni tí a bá mú sáàfù kan tá a bá tún mú tó bá ṣe gbá tó bá ṣàwò wọn máa lè lọ ni pàápàá jùlọ nígbà tá a ti wá rí council ní àná ọ̀dà so gbogbo kìíní yẹn kò ṣeé ṣe láì fi àwọn tó fẹ́ gbé kán ra I used to say I'm sorry that we are on the I know this one will fly kò sí bí security lè ní lọ síwájú tá a bá mọ̀ wípé a máa ń ràn àbí a ṣe ń ra rice àtẹ̀wà ni security is an economic good you want security investment wá security how is it ṣé báwo investment country bíi Russia ten sọ ẹ̀wọ̀ ọjọ́ tí Russia ti Ukraine ti ń bára wọn jẹ́ ẹ̀wọ̀ orí ọdún yìí ẹ̀ máa wò kí ni budget wọn gbọ́ fún security kí ni budget USA fún security kí ni budget all these things ká má ti wá sọ pé wíwé ìpólì tàwa kí ni budget wà fún security yet àdẹ̀fẹ̀ security kò sí bí wọ́n ṣe lè rí security yóò bá rí láti mú owó jáde nínú àpò àwọn olùdáǹsọ kún wọn save àti nígbà mo lọ sí Singapore tí mo wá fẹ́ kúrò ń bẹ̀ mo wá bèèrè ọ̀dọ̀ wọn pókè lọ́lọ́pàá nílùú ìyìn àbá ọ̀lẹ́ ṣe ń ṣe wọ́n wá rẹ́rìn máà tó ń kó wa kìnìún wá rẹ́rìn ó ní pé tí n bá fẹ́ mọ̀ pọ̀ ọlọ́pàá wà kí mi gbáyàn kan létí pé kò lè tó 1 minute tó máa fi arrest so it simply means àwọn nǹkan tó ń ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ technology wọn ò ní kó lọ bí tọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ wọ́n rí gbogbo movement ẹ̀ náà rí ìjọ kan náà wà náà àdébẹ́ so irú bẹ̀rẹ̀ náà làwọn náà fẹ́ kí pólí wa pé tí nǹkan kan bá ṣẹlẹ̀ láti rí bó ṣe ń lọ yẹn àbí ọ̀kan káwọn kan máa monitor ẹ̀ so that kò ní jẹ́ pé kò sí iye number security tá a máa ní tó máa tó ọ̀dọ́ àti tó fi kún máa fi kún wọn so ìbára tó fi kún kò sí iye tó máa tó lẹ́yìn tí tabanínà káà náà lo technology láti fi support àwọn security yẹn on behalf of management àti gbogbo àtàwọn àmì a fi ń dá yín lójú pé a nífẹ̀ẹ́ security àtàwọn cleaners a dẹ̀ máa ṣe gudugudu méje a máa ṣe yàrá mẹ́fà a dẹ̀ máa ṣe pẹ̀lú fọwọ́sowọ́pọ̀ àwọn ọlọ́pàá ni nítorí a ní fi mọ́dẹ́lì ọlọ́pàá àti pólì lẹ̀ bí ọ̀gá tó ṣe wọ́n ṣe fọ́ fi kọ́ wa nìyẹn bẹ́ẹ̀ náà la ṣe máa ṣe so ilé ìta ń ṣe lẹ́yìn training ni a dẹ̀ máa ṣe nígbàkúgbà so that a lè mọ bá ṣe máa ṣe láàrin ibi nítorí pé àwọn ọmọléèwé ṣòro ṣọ́ bá ṣe ń sọ̀rọ̀ sọmọléèwé bá ṣe ń èèyàn bí náà lọ́mọlé tó bá ti burú mọ́ jù ọmọ yẹn kò ní gbọ́ràn pẹ̀lẹ́ lákọ pẹ̀lẹ́ lábo. Ewu olùjọ́ tí Dr. Akinleke sọ yìí bíbí 6 o'clock ládé ẹnu gate ẹjọ́ protesting. Ààrẹ nìkan tó wá ń tajà mẹ́ẹ̀ tó wá ṣọ̀kan. Èmi fún wa ni mo lè padà pé á gbé nǹkan tó fi ń tajà àgbékò mẹ́ tó bá fẹ́ wọ aṣọ àfikún padà lọ sí. Ó dẹ̀ ló padà lọ sí. Bẹ̀bí ló lè mi fẹ́ rí bẹ́ẹ̀. Ẹni tó ààrẹ nìkan tó ń wọṣọ kan tó ń lára àwọn tó ń tajà bí tó wọṣọ kan kò yẹ ká jẹ́ kó wọ. Torí pé nígbà tó bá wọṣọ yẹn ọmọléèwé náà fẹ́ ṣe kí ni o a fẹ́ wọ̀rú ẹ̀. Àwa tó a jẹ́ lecturer náà àti a máa ń bára wa sọ̀rọ̀. So bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ tí gbogbo wa bá fọwọ́sowọ́pọ̀ nǹkan tí ó tó ó máa tó. Lágbára Ọlọ́run eléyìí ò ní jáṣe mọ́ fún wa. Àlàáfíà ìjọba lọ́gbà yìí ní rí àìsàn gbogbo gúlegúle tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ Olúwa bá a dá dúró. Thank you and God bless you.
Àwọn náà ni the DPO ọmọ wa òun náà ni a máa jẹ́ òṣèré lákọ̀ọ́kọ́ torí ọ̀nà bá mojú ògún òun ní obì. So the DPO sir CSP Kọ́ládé Ọlátẹ̀jọ ẹ̀fún wọn ní àtẹ̀wọ́.
Good morning, everyone. Unfortunately, the registrar and other director and other directors of the active have left us behind. I want to congratulate the participants of this training security personnel of the institution. Why am I congratulating you? I'm congratulating you because of the opportunity the school has given you to orientate you, to lecture you, to reawaken your security horizon, mental alertness, and to make you do your job better. This program they have put in place is a very good one for the security personnel. It's good in the sense that you will be thinking you know everything as regards security, whereas you may not know and you be thinking you know. The knowledge you acquire here will go a long way to reawaken your intellectual horizon and to make you do the job better. What we'll be observing today is how to observe, report, and take necessary actions in emergency situation. Observe some keyword. Observation. What do we mean by observation? Of closely observing or monitoring something or someone. As it's watching, monitoring, examination, inspection, viewing, surveying, giving attention, a statement based on something one has seen, heard, or noticed. That is observation. Now we go to report. After observing a particular situation, how do you report that sort of situation to the appropriate authority? Report means giving a spoken or written account of something that one has observed, heard, or investigated. Deduction is the fact or process of doing something typically to achieve an aim. Nǹkan tá a wá ṣe láti curtail situation yẹn òun náà pè ní action. Kí lẹ fẹ́ ṣe báyìí? Wọ́n ní náà ń jó mi sí irú gbèsè wo la fẹ́ gbé láti curtail iná tó ń jó yẹn. Òun náà pè ní action. It means you take a step, measure, activities, movement, work, effort, assertion, operation. Àwọn nǹkan wọ̀nyẹn àwọn nǹkan tí one way or the other tí ìgbésẹ̀ tá a gbé ní ọ̀kọ̀ọ̀kan láti avert problem tó wà nílẹ̀ ni ẹ̀ ń pè ní action. Now, as a security personnel, as a security officer, what actions are you expected to take in case of an emergency? Action to be taken by security personnel in case of emergency varies depending on the nature of emergency. For instance, an action to be taken in case of a fire outbreak will not be the same with the case of an accident or natural disaster. What that means pé ìgbésẹ̀ tá a máa gbé tí iná bá ń jó ó máa yàtọ̀ sí ìgbésẹ̀ tí a máa gbé tí ọmọléèwé bá jà or tí accident bá ṣẹlẹ̀. Ẹgbẹ́ kò jọra wọn. In case of fire outbreak, the officer on duty will raise an alarm of fire outbreak. Let's say for instance now there's a fire outbreak here. and there's a particular officer that is detailed to monitor this environment. Once he sighted the outbreak, he will raise an alarm to alert those that are in the occupants of that place. For example, now we are having a lecture here, and there's a fire outbreak outside there, and somebody, the officer started it. He will alert us so that we will know how to evacuate ourselves out of the auditorium, so that the fire will not consume us. We will make an immediate report to his supervisor for portable assistance and immediate action. The officer on duty will immediately report the incident to his supervisor, while the supervisor will report the incident to the chief security officer, who will, as quick as possible, inform the authority. The chief security officer will now mobilize other security men to the scene and cordon the entire area to prevent people falling victim of the outbreak. It is the duty of the chief security officer to mobilize other security officers around to cordon the area where we have the fire outbreak, so that to minimize the victims that will be consumed by the fire, and possibly to rescue those that are still caught up with the fire, if possible. Underline, if possible, because this is not his duty. It is duty of the chief security officer to notify the fire service station for quick action. The CSO will now immediately call the fire service station that we have an incident here, that should come immediately. And when they come, you are going to assist them in doing certain things. What will you do as a security officer when the fire service come around? You will ensure they were not molested or attacked. Because in the recent time, we noticed that when there's a fire outbreak somewhere, we call upon the fire service officers to rescue us. You see people responding negatively. They did not come on time. You know, you see them reacting in a very bad manner. Whereas it will hinder them from doing their job. As a security officer, it is your duty to prevent all these abnormalities. You have to make sure their life is safe. The fire service officer must be protected while performing their duty, because, okay, in recent time they are prone to attack. So effort must be geared towards the protection and ensure they are allowed to perform their duty without hindrance. Hoodlums must not be allowed to come near the scene under the pretense of lending hands. You know, in a situation where there's a fire outbreak, you will see a lot of people coming around with the pretense that they want to assist you to quench the fire, whereas their mission is not the same. They have come to steal. They have come to loot. So it is your duty as the internal security to ensure that those that are not part of you are not allowed to move close to the fire arena. And whatever items that were able to evacuate from the scene must be guided and protected accordingly. That is, all recovered items must be properly protected and the scene must be adequately guarded. All hands must be on deck to ensure the outbreak is properly contained from spreading. Agbọ́dọ̀ gbìyànjú láti rí pé gbogbo wa parapọ̀ tí a fi jẹ́ kí iná tó jó yẹ kó jó kọjá ibi tó yẹ lọ. It is our duty to ensure the safety of wherever we are posted to. Your own case is even different in the sense that you are in a student community. As a security personnel, you approach to issues around here is very, very important. Because when you are too overbearing, you are too harsh to the student, it can even cause an emergency. You know that when you hold the student too tight, they will revoke against you, and it will turn to a very serious calamity. So, as an internal security officer, you have to have the knowledge of how to relate with the student, so that your actions and inactions will not cause further damage to the security to the school. Security work is not a one-man job, and it is not. People are calling you security not because you are wearing clothes. It is because of the training that they believe you have acquired. the knowledge, they believe you have gone, you have gotten. That's why people say, security, not because you are wearing clothes. If it's a uniform, we have students that are wearing uniform. We have other people that are wearing uniform. But when they say security officer, they must see that trait of being a security officer in you. Through your knowledge, you will exhibit the training you have acquired. How do you exhibit those training? How do you perform your duty? Are you the type that when you post it to a particular place, before 10 or 20 minutes, you will leave the place under the pretense that I want to go and eat, or I want to go to the toilet. It is not so. Your spirit of endurance and perseverance to ensure that wherever you post you will remain there, and you give appropriate report of your activities on that in that place to the appropriate authority. How about this note, you say thank you for listening. The permission, sir, I would like to take one or two responses before I take my leave, because I have other schedule of duties in my office, so that I will not keep you waiting more.
We've all heard what our principal has in lecture. Do we have any questions, comments, suggestions? Oh yeah, please come.
It can be general question. It can be general question.
Emabo.
Knowledge is power.
I am Isa Bashirat. Orúkọ tèmi ni Isa Bashirat. Mo dúpẹ́ fún sẹ́mínà tá a ṣe. Mo dẹ̀ dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ rector wa àti àwọn management tí wọ́n ṣe sẹ́mínà yìí fún wa. Ọlọ́run á máa ràn wọ́n lọ́wọ́. A dẹ̀ join sẹ́mínà tí wọ́n ṣe fún wa. A rí ẹ̀kọ́ lọ́pọ̀lọpọ̀ lórí ẹ̀. A dẹ̀ wò pé àwa náà máa mú ìlérí wa àti iṣẹ́ wa, a máa mú ní òkúnkúndùn ní orí Federal Polytechnic Ìlàró. Mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí o. Thank you for everybody.